Richard Rwabuhinga mukuru w'entebe ya katano ahabwa akabarore nagira ngo project zimwe zitwira kashobo ahabwe ibintu byinji ebyine gukorwa omu central government.
We have been following now the ways that the ministry's procurement, now the bill has moved to the bank, and now the bill, it takes ages. And maybe the reason why some projects were not attended to in the first phase.
I am confident by the principles of the Islamic Development Bank, and I just request that you decentralize the procurement of those projects, make us own the projects. We really manage them, because you cannot manage contractors who are not even loyal. You will go and see.
Project eji eine kumaraho dollars milioni 50 kandi netebwa amasente aba banka ya Islamic Development Bank nekigenderwa cyo kutungura obuhinji entaske y'abantu aha rurengo rweka.
Tatwaia Martin Harugongo Ichwamba, that is Uhara, because of the desire to accomplish the district wash master plan aimed at having all areas served with safe and clean water should be emphasized in the second phase.
Ebi bigamberwe omurutayayo rwabo buyambi on project eji orubirerwe bembirwe minister wa government z'ebyanga Rafael Magezi. Aba batayire bimwe ebiro nibikorwa on project eji kakatare akachondo omu district ya Kabarore akariyo nikombekwa ekyoma cyo kuboneza omucheri hamwe n'ebichori omuritojo omu district ya Ntoloko hamwe n'ekyomwani omu district niyamwe.
What is it doing in Kabarore? What are we doing in Tooro? How do the people of Kunyangabo see this? Is this something that we should continue supporting? Does it make a change in the lives of your people? So feel free. If you have one presentation, Mr. President, you can give it. But I would love to hear from the other chairman.
The people who suffer the biggest challenge of water scarcity are women, because they have to trek long distances to collect water, sometimes late in the night and early in the morning, and with the associated challenges.
Very moving to hear the testimony of all of you explaining what this means to you in terms of improvements to your income, improvements to the education of your children, and improvements to the quality of your lives. It is really important to us as the donors of the Lives and Livelihoods Funds to really see that we are making a difference to the lives and the livelihoods of ordinary people, of the people of this district.
Rafael Magezi, Minister w'ebyanga, nagira ngo ebigombe byinji bibasize kutandikwaho kwihalegs etandikwaho omuchangechi.
This is a women cooperative. They started as 56 women, but now there are 150 people. And among the women, they now have men. They have 150 plus, is it 100 are women and 50 are men? Yes. So the men have joined the women cooperative.
Bamwe omubaganyirwe on project basimire government hamwe n'empabwezi ahabwo kubashachara.
Twongera kusimira muno in a very special way that you would like to thank omukazi mukuru mnyakola kwenda patient ara patience legs kama manda utkora gona tumanyirire yatu lobingira kura mtunga katale kanu
hapo viti inoko itakali ya tuna na roka factory etaka biyo kwa hotamma bia one of the beneficiaries of my legs basima abe legs tushinasinja kutsebo tukarengekana ya epatito yeyi tukayasomesa ya mama tukabalema esu tuja hatukabeka betu twabana tungatugende tukabeka tuketuka mu mama
Gashakwa Jonathan Singwiri.